Hi, my name is Fransisca Olivia Melati, and I will show you how to make a bird from origami. The first important thing that you need is, of course, the origami. I use size 16 by 16. And then, now, I will choose the color what I want. And you can choose to what color do you want. I will choose the red one. And now, let's move on to the step. Okay, the first thing you need is fold the origami into two parts until it makes a shape like triangle, like this. And then the second step is you fold it again until a small triangle like this. Okay, and then this is the open part and this is the open part too. You grab this part, the right side, and then you open this part, and just fold it like this. Do the same thing with the left side, like this. And like this. And the next step is you have to fold again. You can see this part and this part, right? You have to grab this part, this one part, and you have to fold it like this. And do the same thing with this side, with the other side, like this. And the back side. Okay, done. Until you found this shape. I don't know what shape it is, but yeah. Okay. And you have to grab this part and fold it down like this, and do the same thing like this. And you have to open this part and this part. And then this white side, you have to open it and fold it like this. Okay, this is the left side, and the right side. You grab the left side, and don't forget to hold this side if you don't want this part go anywhere. Okay, hold like this. And with the right hand, you have to fold this left side like this. Like this, and do the same thing on the other side. And yeah, until you make this part, this shape with two legs and this shape. Yeah, well, I don't know what's the name of the shape. And if you can follow me until this step, you will success. And now let's to the next step. The next step is Well, there's two legs, right? Two part is open, okay, and it's not open, right? And you must fold again this side, okay, this side. Fold it like this. Don't forget to fold in the open part, okay, and you have to fold it like this. Yeah, and do the same thing with the other side. And the other side. Okay, like this, and this is the open part, right? This, and you have to fold it like this. This until this part close by this part, like this, and you have to fold it up like this and fold it up like this, okay, and then this part you have to fold it like this, yeah, and fold this part and this part down like this. And the last but not least step is you have to give the bird beak like this, and you have to grab this side and grab this side and pull it together, pull it together, pull it together, pull it together until you found this part. I don't know what is it. Yeah, but maybe it's the body of the bird. Okay, and voila. And that's all for me. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoying my video and do the same thing with me to make a bird from origami. And I believe you can do it. Okay, and thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.